So here I flood irrigated like a knucklehead yesterday, and I put 2 inches of water on here, plus 1.1 inches of rain yesterday, and a 1/2 inch this morning, between last night and this morning, and no standing water anywhere in the field. So this has had a shit ton of water and nothing standing. And I'll show you the field that doesn't have any vegetation, without standing water everywhere. This is the upper side, same soil, same everything as down there. Had the same volume of water, and after the rain today, this is what I'm left with. This area I haven't planted the grass, a lot more soil showing, standing water. Was not irrigated and still standing water, versus that bottom field that's full of grass that doesn't have any standing water. The only way you can combat floods, plant native grasses. It can handle all the water most of the time. My neighbor's is standing water there as well.